AI is everywhere at work today. It helps people write emails, create reports, fix code, design presentations, and finish tasks faster than ever before. But here's the problem. Most employees are already using AI without clear rules, without guidance, and without understanding the risks. And that's how people get into trouble. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI at work safely, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and how to protect your job, even if your company doesn't have an official AI policy yet. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. AI is powerful, but it is not reliable. Generative AI can analyze information, summarize documents, and generate ideas in seconds. But it can also hallucinate, meaning it confidently produces information that is completely false. And when that happens, the AI won't be blamed, you will. That's why blindly trusting AI at work is dangerous. The safest way to think about AI is this: anything AI produces must be reviewed, edited, and verified. If AI writes an email, you polish the tone and confirm the facts. If it generates data or insights, you cross-check the sources. If it helps with a report, you validate every claim. Using AI without reviewing the output is one of the fastest ways to damage your credibility. Another major mistake employees make is using AI in secret. Many people think hiding AI use protects them. In reality, it does the opposite. If your manager later discovers that AI was used, especially after a mistake, secrecy becomes a serious trust issue. Trust protects you far more than secrecy ever will. Studies show that around 2/3 of employees already use AI at work, while fewer than half of companies have formal AI policies. That gap is dangerous, so what should you do if your company hasn't clearly explained the rules? Never input confidential company data into AI tools. That includes client information, financial records, internal documents. Once data goes into an external AI system, you may lose control over where it ends up. Instead, use AI for safer tasks, brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, learning new skills or concepts, and always keep proof that you reviewed and edited the final work yourself. Your goal is to show that AI assisted you. It did not replace you.